Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox our new Hyperice Normatec 3 lower body air compression recovery system, which catch up and provide fast recovering for your quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, feet and lower back with a restorative massage. This is the new case of Normatec 3 dynamic air compression system featuring patented pulse massage and hyper smart. It's a pretty good package. So here we are going to open it now. First of all, you will get some confusion for the opening. I think you need to tilt and you need to take it off. Yes. Here is the compressing pants, and this is our 7 levels of dynamic air compression technology, which works together to alleviate and loosen your muscles for warm-up and recovery. And here you have to fix the pants. And here we go, tear up for taking out the compression system pant, and which you have to wear for your legs. Yeah, it's packed up very pretty good. There is a lot of papers and plastic bags. I think this is for the right leg and that's for the left leg. And this is the connecting cable from the pants to the unit system. Yes, this is the connecting cable from the compressing pants to the unit controlling system. Yeah, it's also pretty well packed. And this is the charging port or the charging cable inside. Yes, and this is the guarantee manual how to use and the bottle. Yes, this is a charging cable and adapter, and designed with 3 types of plug-in points. Yes, for the Europe, USA and the Asian types. Yeah. Yeah, you can dismantle this and you can connect. You can change actually, yeah. You can't fix directly, you just need to change, or you can use the plug-in pin, extra plug-in pins. For the time being, I will keep in here and we go with an extra plug-in pins without changing now. We can change further later. And the control unit is designed to power all Normatec extensions. The brand new system design features an easier to use interface and reduced weight for easy traveling, and which is customized for your body with Bluetooth control. Yeah, here you go connecting the adapter to the energy port. Yes, so I found out the extra plug-in that you can fix it. Yes, now we are going to connect the cable to the pans and to the system. Now both the sides, left leg and right leg, is connected. Now we go for checking. Now we need to switch on the system. But this is the start button, but you can't switch on without the main button. I will show you how to switch on, but this start button you can't switch. Yes, so while trying this, it's not a meaningful approach. The power button is at the side of the unit system, I think. Yeah, now you need to switch on the side button. Yeah, yes, you need to switch on the side button. Here we go for trying the first massage procedure. Now you need to wear the left leg and the right leg as yes, here we go. Thank you.